On one hand, we discovered the first alive Balkan lynx in the country, which for us was great news, because up to then we only had evidence from dead individuals, like trophies or stuffed individuals being kept in various public spaces. But at the same time, it gave us very important information on where we could look to find the lynx in the wild. I was very angry at the system. I mean, we could see with our own eyes that something that is completely against the law, something that is completely out in the open, at the light of the day was happening, and authorities were not taking measures against it. You can see on how the individual reacts to the new environments, and you can see that after going through such a stressful time over 10 years, the animal could feel the grass in between its toes again.